In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Booking.com, a popular platform for finding and booking accommodations around the world. Whether you're planning a short getaway or an extended vacation, Booking.com offers a variety of options to suit your needs. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and type in Booking.com. Hit enter, and you'll be directed to the home page. This is where your journey begins, so make sure you're on the right site. Now that you're on Booking.com, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. Here, you'll want to type in the city and country where you plan to stay. Be as specific as possible to get the most relevant results for your destination. Next, you'll need to choose your booking dates. This is crucial as it determines the availability of accommodations. Whether you're planning a weekend trip or a 2-week holiday, select the start and end dates for your stay. You'll see a calendar pop up, making it easy to choose the exact days you want. Moving on, it's important to specify how many people will be staying. Booking.com allows you to add the number of adults, children, and even infants, so be sure to include everyone. If you're traveling with pets, this is the time to indicate that as well. While some hotels welcome furry friends, others might not, so it's essential to get this right to avoid any issues upon arrival. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click on the search button. This will bring up a list of accommodations that match your criteria. Now comes the fun part, browsing through the options. Scroll through the list and explore different hotels, apartments, or hostels to find what best suits your desires and budget. Booking.com provides filters and sorting options to help you narrow down your choices based on price, ratings, amenities, and more. After you've found a hotel that catches your eye, take a moment to review its details. This includes checking the room types, available facilities, and guest reviews. Once you're satisfied and the accommodation meets your expectations, it's time to reserve your stay. Click on the Reserve button, and you'll be prompted to enter your personal details. Ensure everything is accurate to avoid any hiccups during check-in. And there you have it. You successfully used Booking.com to plan your accommodations. With these steps, you can confidently book your next trip with ease. Safe travels, and enjoy your stay wherever it may take you.